Hey folks, today is March, excuse me, today is March 30th. It's actually about 2 o'clock in the morning.
Hang tight, guys. Hang tight. We'll get started in a few minutes.
We are now in the iMarkets Live trade room, and this is going to be for the London session or London Open session. All right, as you guys can see here, we do have the trade room up. So what I'm going to look at doing here is basically just recording everything I see, and I might also try and take whatever trades they take in the trade room. But as you guys can see right now, I was able to get everything set up as far as the software on my SIM account and everything like that. So that was pretty simple to get set up, which is a good thing. So now we'll basically just see what happens here. All right, I'm going to try to keep this short. Again, as I said, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, just waking up here to try and catch or to try to record at least a couple videos for you guys here, and also to help me get accustomed to the system itself. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll be back shortly.
Guys, I think you just stay to the sell side with this thing.
All right, folks, things are starting to get moving in the room here.
We're going to give it a few more minutes. You still in it? Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it. All right? Yeah, stay short. Stay on the sell side, guys. Your target is take profit right here. Okay? That's a take profit. What we're going to do is put your stop right there now, okay? You eliminate the other half, it's not going to get there. We're going to take your stop loss, put it right there. We're going to change it to 127. 127,410. My eyes adore. There you go. There you go. Thank you. All right, guys. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to update this. I'm going to take the chart, take the link, rinky dinky linky. All right, so I just put the link in there for everybody, okay? So at least you know what we got going on. Still feel this market should go down. It's on an hourly sell. And even if it decides to dance around over here, don't worry about it. Worst case scenario, you got a stop loss in place. You can't get hurt. Famous last words. You won't get hurt with me. And then you get slapped out, and you lose your $18. I'm the worst guy in the world. Okay, so what I want to see here on the USD JPY, you see the short-term chart? I want to see this change. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. We got a meet and greet going on here. We got a meet and greet going on. That's because that guy's a chairman 8. Guy's chairman 8. 5 days, man. 5 days in the company. Look at this. Okay, we got 3 drives down. You see this here, guys? This is USD JPY. 3 drives down. All right? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. All right, guys. Sorry about that. We got 3 drives to the downside. All right? 1 drive, 2 drives, 3 drives down. You see that, guys? Everybody see this? Everybody see that? Okay. Do you notice here the oscillator, MACD, the drives are higher? All right? This is a loss of momentum to the downside. So you're getting a loss. Hey, you have the Mayfield. How's Holyfield doing? So we got 1 drive, 2 drives, 3 drives down. Typically when you get that, it ends a trend and you tend to get this corrective wave up. All right? This is not an Elliott wave. Okay, this is not an Elliott wave. As you see how this looks here, it broke to the downside real hard, and then you got those multiple waves. So what I'm liking, guys, is working the buy side. Trade from the long side, the buy side. Buy side, all right? If you have $1,000 account per $1,000, I want you to trade 3. Matter of fact, Yeah, trade 3 micros. So if you have 2,000, trade 6 micros. What I'd like you to do is trade from the buy side, from here, guys. Right from here, okay? Let's just say we're buying over there where you're buying. Oops. Okay, and your stop is going to be down here. Stop is going to be down there. So we're going to put a stop at 111. Stop at 111.86. Okay? I like the buy side, guys. Trade it higher. Buy now. Buy, yeah. I'm not going to tell you again, guys. Just buy them. Buy them. Stop asking. Just do it. You know, you start asking questions, you miss it, and then what? Just do it. You hear me saying buy. What else do you think I'm telling you to do? All right? So, buy side, guys. All right? Buy side. It's all based on, this is the zone down here, right? But we want to take it down to a 15-minute chart. All right? Take it down to a 15-minute chart. 1, 2, 3 drives down. Now, we understand there's risk in trading, guys. If you do lose, you're only going to lose a little bit with us, right? Small amounts. We don't put big amounts on the table. 3 micro lots per $1,000 in cash. That does not mean that you put $1,000 up and then you got 150% bonus and 1,000 times margin, you got $1 million. That means if you have $1,000 in cash in the account, you buy 3 micros. You're taking a 2% risk. If you have $500 in your account, you buy 3%, 3 micros, you got what? 4%. So you really need to have some cash in the account. Because let's think about it. If you have $100 and you take 3 micros, 2%, what would that be? 20 bucks? That's 20%.
All right, folks, I've tried to buy this a couple of times. This is a FXCM demo account, which is what they require. And for some reason, it's not letting me do anything. Man, that's disappointing. Look at that. I'm not sure what I can do here to get this to actually start working here. So I'm going to, I guess, pause it real quick, and I'm going to try and hopefully see what the problem is, why it's not letting me enter a buy trade. All right, no worries. Let me look into this, and I'll be back with you guys momentarily. All right, guys, I just did a search online, and they told me to enable maximum deviation to at least 10 pips. So we'll try that, and we'll see if it works for us here. How about that? All right, let's see if we can get things running back in the room again.
Welcome to the webinar. You have entered as an attendee in listen-only mode.
1 drive, 2 drives, 3 drives. You see that? Here, 1 drive, 2 drives, 3 drives. The difference is price made lower lows and the oscillator made higher lows. That means that the slowing up of momentum with the higher time frame, with the buy divergence. What that means that you have the pattern has lined up, the price pattern. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me clearly? I'm getting louder and louder as we go, right? You get all excited, get crazy. All right, so I got you guys. 3 drives down, 3 drives down. Higher lows, that's a divergence. That's a sort of a divergence, but 3 drives typically ends the market. Let me explain something to you guys so you understand. we all understand what divergence means, right? Price goes down, and MetaTraders fall. Oh, actually, you know what? I could do this. I could do this better. Hold on. I could take this with a pen color black and blue. Okay, guys, watch this. Drives down that. You got that, right? You see that? You see I drew that on the screen? You guys see that? Okay. You see this right here? Typically, that's called a divergence, right? Right? You guys understand what a divergence is, yes? So price makes lower low, and the oscillator makes higher low, like that. So my screen is flashing. Well, it's flashing because I did this. But so you understand something. What preluded to this? Strong impulse to the downside. So that means that the first pullback is going to drive down, right? And the risk is if this doesn't spike up right away in turn, you're going to get that third drive to end the move down. And that's what you get right here. So just remember the previous setup is strong impulse. You have strong impulse up, shallow retracement, continue, shallow retracement, continue, then it does like this. Okay? So just keep that in mind. Erase all drawings. All right, is the screen okay now? Chance? Still flashing? Hold on. Flex hands. Is it better? Is it better now? It's better, right? Okay. That's because I had drawn on the screen and made those little crazy moves. Okay. So what we're doing right now, guys, is we're just going to wait and see if this market can go a bit higher. The USD JPY, we like it a bit higher. We talked about buying it in here somewhere, I think it was, right now. EUR JPY, we like the sell side, right? We like the sell side up there. So anything that's pushing up at this point, you like the sell side. You got a little double top. Up here, the market's obviously in a big resistance zone, right? Big resistance zone. This is big resistance. Okay, we'll watch if this turns down. Let's look at the next charts. Let's see what we got. NZDY, AUDJPY. How you doing? Okay, EUR, nope. USD-CHF, failure. So you see, guys, you see this? This is stuff we don't touch. Sharp, big, sharp moves to the downside. We wait for patterns. All right? We don't touch that stuff. Up here. If it turns up a little bit more, we can look at this. Let's take a look at some more of a scalper environment. Okay? Scalper environment. What do you think? How do you spot the hidden divergence in the MACD? Class VAC. What do you mean? What are you saying? I'm in a zone tonight. Is my screen, can you guys see the USD-JPY? You see the USD-JPY, no problem? McBreeze in the house. McBreeze, can I call you and you do a little rapping on the phone? Can you do it for me, McBreeze? McBreeze, I'm going to make you a star. McBreeze. What's the phone number? Stick with me, I'll make you famous. Famous last words. Uh-oh. What's your phone number, man? What, you scared? You scared to rap? Come on, rap genius. What's the matter? I'm calling you out. Come on, McBree, stop hiding. Come on. Yeah, you'll rap for me. Oh my God, everybody's watching. Gene Moreno's calling you out. What's the phone number, Mick? No? That's it. You could have been the next Biggie. You could have been the next Tupac. I could have chance. You could have been a star, man. You could have been an IML star. My flow was unfiltered. No, stop. You can't be typing that. You can't type rap music. You're either going to flow. You're either going to flow it for everybody or not. Come on. Oh, man. Biggie Soprano's calling you out. Oh, man. He's got Shrinkling tonight. Yeah, you Facebook rapper. I love you, man. Nah, listen, Mick Bree's a good friend of mine. He's a great guy. And he just has for you to rap. You better build IML. You got no place else to go. You're either gonna rap or do IML. You can't rap. Germany. All right, guys. GBP USD. See how they put a little spike in up here? Okay, let's just take a look. Let's looky. Very small risk. Okay, very small risk, guys. Very small risk. Let's go 1.441. 1.441 stop on the sell side, GBP USD. A little bit of risk. 1.441. All right, a little bit of risk up here, guys. A little bit of risk, not so much. I don't mind risking 10 little pips to make a whole bunch more for you guys. So we're gonna call it right here, guys. Right, anywhere in here. Sell side, guys. GBP USD. Let's see if this pattern holds in here. How much per thousand? Oh man, there you go, right there. 2%. Let's say do you can get away with 20. Do a 1% risk, real small. 0.20 lots. That's it per thousand. Small. All right. Small risk, guys. Don't do anything big. Small risk. 1% risk on the trade, guys. Yeah, you can actually add your own 0.20 per thousand. 0.20 per thousand, because you got such a small risk. Small risk, guys. See this? You got like 10 pips. If it stops, yeah, no big deal. You walk away, okay? This is no big deal. Let's see what else we got. Why don't you come in? So guys, we're going to take our stops on the EURJPY. You're going to move them all the way down. Way down here, guys. That way we're around break even, right in there. 127.13. 127.13 stop. Okay. I don't know what I did here. Anybody see my stop loss? Anybody see my stop loss? All right, so right here where we put sell it, we're going to make a stop loss down, okay? All right, 12714, that's your stop, okay? That's your stop, guys, on the JPY sells. EURJPY sells, guys. Bigger trades we're looking at, USD JPY to the buy side. No, don't trade. You should have been here earlier. You should have been here 20, 30 minutes ago. You should have been here before me. We're going to cap out tonight, man. We're going to hit the max tonight. All right, we're going to hit the max. It feels like it. Do you understand who I have in my room here right now? I got the fastest chairman eights ever in IML. Forget about it, man. 5 days. They come in and they hit it 5 days, and I heard all the grumblings. Oh, he had help. Oh, yeah. Get out of here. Telling you guys, the whole dream of iMarkets Live is if you don't have the cash in your pocket, right? Go out and build your business. Go out and build your network marketing business. And then guess what? You've got cash to put in the markets. Wow! Robert Kiyosaki, work hard for your money. Let your money work hard for you. Right? The 4 different sectors right there. What are the 4 boxes? Yes. Okay, let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got. Put your money to work. I don't see too much going on here, guys. Rich dad, poor dad. My father said the perfect example for me. Somebody who I shouldn't follow. Okay? So, don't mean to be rude, but it's the truth, right? Gotta call it what it is. He's like, don't listen to me. I have no idea what I'm doing. It's the reason I can't afford to put you to school. My father, when I was in high school, right? I said to him, they want me to fill out where I want to go to school. And he goes, that's not happening. So he took me out to the car. He pointed at the wheel and said, son, those are the brakes. Okay, I get it. I mean, I was like 17 going, those are brakes? I said, no, those are brakes. You're not going to college. I couldn't make it anywhere. I was too busy doing bad things. So you got a very, very small risk in the GBP USD. We did a 1% risk, very, very tight stops on here. It's a little bit bigger of trade size than you would normally do on a wider type of market. So what's good is if this market holds and turns, nice win. Something about these smaller stops gives you bigger size. You follow what I'm saying? So bigger size patterns, smaller time frame, bigger size. When they move in your favor, you can actually collect some really nice cash. So let's just watch. Let's continue to pay attention to what's going on here. The USD JPY is on fire. Come on, get above that 112443. Come on, let's do it. All right, here go the USD, GBP USD. Let's watch the GBP USD. Let's see if this thing wants to turn down. Still the struggle right here, right? It's like from the streets of Brooklyn. Come on, baby. All right. Let's see if we can get down in the new lows. That would be ideal. Let's check the higher time frame, guys. Wow. Risky trade we got going on here. A little bit of a risky trade. I'm not going to lie. So we have break-even stops on the EUR-JPY. We're not going to give it any room. If this thing gets up here, you're out. You're done. Walk away from the 97%. Okay. Hey, guys, you want to laugh? You want to laugh? Wait, hold on a second. I can't even make this up. Oh, my God. My Facebook friend over here, McBreeze. Wait. I can't even make this up. He's putting, get over here. He's putting rap music. He's actually typing it out. You can't do that, Nick. You gotta give me a number. You have to do it. You type it out. What would if Puffy did to Biggie? If Biggie brought Biggie down, he said, show them what you can do. He starts typing it out on his cell phone. What? You can't float. You fear. Come on, man. This is your first concert. I'm putting you into the game. Oh, my God. I'm going to call KRS-One. He's going to be like, get rid of that guy. That's it. You're out. You're not even part of the Nick Breeze Hall of Fame of rap. What's going on with you? All right. I love Nick Breeze. We're good friends, actually. That's why I toy with him. Live from the chat room. Rapper. He's like Milli Vanilli texting. He's like, I look like baby Jesus. Yeah. I'll show you baby Jesus. Oh no, I have a pastor in the room. He's a pastor. Say, hello, baby Jesus. Georgia. I'm baby Jesus. They call me baby Jesus. See, he's praying for me. What do you got? What do you got there? I got a pastor pray for me. What do you got? What do you got? What? I got him live in the room. I called God. He sends down one of his disciples over here. See what I'm saying? Speechless, right? What you got? You're going to take a picture, aren't you? I got a password. I keep it down. Oh my God.
Okay, so obviously they're having a
You
good
got me
time in
back.
the room right now.
I got the coolest password.
I'll tell you what, let me go ahead and pause it. I wanted you guys to really get an idea
You don't say the
of
word
what
gangster in front
happens
of the pastor. You're gonna get me in trouble.
in the Forex trade room here. And as you can see, it's pretty interesting.
So the other, wait.
We decided right here to
Yeah, you
take
can't
this
rap.
USD
Okay,
Japanese yen
wait, let me show
trade.
you real rapping. Let me show you real rapping. Yeah, let me show you. I'm gonna show you Milli Vanilli.
All right, and we actually got up in time pretty quickly. It's already 26 minutes into the video. So I'm thinking about just pausing it right now. Got my stops in place, got my take profits in place, as you guys can see here. I believe they had several other trades, some on the GBP USD and I think one other currency pair, but I didn't jump into the pound dollar trade. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it. And it's about 2:30 right now. Might pause it, go back to sleep, and then come back and just see, what's happened here. So I think that's going to be the plan at this point. Let's see what happens on this USD Japanese yen trade. Looking for about 35 pips. And we'll see what happens. All right, so when I come back, it'll most likely be around 7:30 or so in the morning. So, yep, we'll just see what happens then. All right, be back with you guys in a few hours. All right, folks, as you guys can see here, March the 30th. It's currently 8:54 in the morning. And it looks like we could have had several other really good entry prices. You can see the entry levels were between this level and this level. So if we could have entered around here, we could have easily taken the first profit target of 40 pips. Right around this level. But obviously that did not happen. I went ahead and got in during the London Open session up here at this point. I possibly could have placed a pending order down here for a long trade, but either way, like I said, we're in profit right now. The market went up as much as, looks like about 25 pips into profit. And this is an hourly chart. So I do expect to hold the trade a bit longer. All right, so we'll go ahead and pause it and see what happens a little bit later. Hey folks, just wanted to give you guys another quick update here. As you can see, I've moved my stop down to just beneath this level here. The market might have some issues getting above that. I can just foresee that being a level of resistance. So we put our stop, or our first take profit just beneath that level. And our second take profit is right here now. So we can go ahead and move this to there. And alter that. If we would have got in down here, I would have most likely used this level or around this level as my first profit target. So around 30 pips is what I'd be looking at for a profit target, but that's where we are right now. All right, and as you can see, we're looking at around 30 pips for a profit target there, and the same thing there. So now we're just going to leave it on and see what happens. Hey folks, another quick update. As you guys can see here, the market has come up to this same level here, and it seems to be having a tough time getting past it. Had a wick up here, came down, had a wick up here, came down. And I'm hoping we don't get another wick up and then a reversal. I'm hoping the market just, pushes up a little bit more and just hits our profit target. but we'll just have to be patient here and see what happens. From now on, I think I'll try to get in around the center area here. Obviously, it gives you kind of a range for where you can actually enter the trades. As you can see here, entry minimum, entry maximum. So we could have entered anywhere in between here, but at 2 o'clock in the morning, as I'm sure you guys could tell, I was ready, honestly, to get back in bed. So I stayed in the trade room for as long as it took to get a trade. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that too many more times here. But we'll continue watching it, and I'll come back once we get past our profit target, or if it reverses or something. Hey folks, just another quick update here. It is now 6:57, almost 7 o'clock in the afternoon. It's still March 30th. And we're still waiting on a nice push up here to hit that first profit target. Obviously, these are larger time frames, so we're not going to be able to just get in and get out like we would be with a 1 minute or a 5 minute chart. So we'll continue to be patient. Obviously, I can't record anything else until this one finishes up. So I'll just pause it again, and hopefully we'll have a conclusion by tomorrow morning. I know a lot of people had asked me about a system that could basically, they could set it, go to work, and then come back and just see, whether it profited or failed. So based on this hourly and daily and 4-hour time frames that this system uses, I do think that would be obviously ideal for those individuals. So only thing now is to see how accurate the signals are. So we'll keep watching it and hopefully keep this under 40 minutes. Definitely keep it under 40 minutes. All right, be back with you guys on the next update. Hey folks, today is March 31st. It's currently about 8:50 in the morning. I just wanted to give you guys another update. As you can see, the market's just been going sideways here so far. And we've come back up to this level on this bar, just about on this bar here, and on this bar here. So the market obviously is having a really tough time getting past this level right here. And that's only about 8 pips away from our profit target. So I was considering moving it down, but I think I'm just going to leave it where it is, and hopefully the market will be able to break that level. And when it does, it'll give us a nice strong push. So for now, we'll just continue watching and see what happens. All right, be back with you guys on the next update. All right, folks, just another quick update. It's now 11:21. As you can see, we're still right around break even. The market has just been bouncing around between the entry minimum and entry maximum. And we've had multiple opportunities to jump back in to take between 30 and 40 pips back out of the market. As you can see right here, market went up 30 pips. Right here, market went up as much as 40 pips. So there are plenty of opportunities to jump back in to make some more profit. But I'm hoping to just stay in with the 2 orders that I have. And I'm seriously considering at this point just moving my first profit target down to this level. And the reason being so I can go ahead and end this video. Today is Thursday, which means tomorrow is going to be the last trading day we have. And I really want to get this video wrapped up before the end of the week. That would be ideal. And I'm believing next week I'm going to focus on, where is it at here? I have this. This is for the binary options portion. They have this in the back office as well. Actually, hold on. Let me pull that up really quick. All right, folks, I just tried to log into the iMarkets Live back office, and it looks like they're doing maintenance right now. And I do recall them sending out an email, I believe, yesterday, stating that they were going to be doing that. So not going to be able to pull that up. But if you go into the back office, you'll see that they do have the Harmonic scanner specifically for binary options. And you'll notice that that has 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1-minute charts on it. And that's what this is now. And you can use this, as I just said, to trade binary options or to trade smaller time frames, basically scalping. All right, and as you can see so far, this is GBP CAD. Basically, we would have gotten in here or somewhere in between that level. That's the idea, to get in somewhere in between the max and the minimum, and your stop goes at this red line. And as you can see, if we would have just been patient on this trade, that would have been a nice winning trade there on a 15-minute chart. And we could have definitely used this to jump in on a binary options trade. I'm going to have to go through and see which size trades it works best with, because I know in binary options they have, 5 minutes, 15-minute trades, and 30-minute and even 60-second trades. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to go through and see what's going to work best. But GBP CAD here, as you can see, same thing. Entry minimum, entry maximum. After the market crossed that level, we can start looking to get in. This is a Euro CAD. As you can see, same thing here. Entry minimum, 23 pips. So obviously, this is definitely something I'm going to seriously consider going forward, instead of this situation where I'm trading, hourly, 4-hour, and daily. If you guys don't want to, be staring at the charts a lot, this is definitely something you can do, because you're going to be able to enter the orders and not have to worry about them. You'll be able to go a few days without really having to do much with as far as trading goes and such. But I think for the purpose of this test, I'm going to look at doing this. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. We'll continue watching this trade here. Hopefully it'll finish up by tomorrow so I can get this out to you guys. We're going to go ahead and bring that down to this level, because there's obviously a level of resistance right here. Market hasn't been able to get past it, and once we hit this, I'll move my stop up to break even. So that'll give us about 20 pips in profit, and then the other order, I'll leave it at break even after that point, or if we get hit, I should say. All right, I think that's everything I wanted to touch on here. Video's moving a little bit beyond what I had hoped it would, but this is just, like I said, it's taking a bit longer. So we'll see what happens. I'll pause it and come back to you guys once this level gets hit, and we'll see what happens after that. Hey folks, just wanted to give another quick update. We're now about 4 or 5 pips away. It's about 130 right now. I'm really hoping we'll go ahead and get that first profit target hit. Again, as you saw, the market came down right to that other max entry level. Bounced off of it and pushed back up. So I can see that it does give really good signals from what I can see. You had plenty of time to jump in for a long trade all throughout these levels. All right, so just waiting on this to finally push through this profit target if it gets up there. We're about 4 or 5 pips away now, so hopefully it'll give it to us here. As you can see, I'm pushing 40 minutes, so I'll come back once we get through it. All right, folks, as you can see here, we have some news coming out at 7:50. I'm not sure how this is going to react in the USD Japanese yen pair. I'm pretty sure, hopefully, it won't cause too big of a reaction. I don't think it will. It's 2 minutes till 7:50. We're currently up a little over $100, so I'm going to hopefully go ahead and take out this first contract before that news hits. And that should give me about $100 in profit. And then the idea here is to have my stop at break even before that news comes out. So if it spikes down, it'll go ahead and just take me out. All right, we got 1 minute to go. Again, ideally, I want to see it come up and at least give me that $100 out of that first order. But if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. This is me just testing things out. And I do need to have this stuff shut down by tomorrow. So I'll just go ahead and wrap this up now. If the first order gets hit, we'll get to watch that right now. If not, it'll just be a break-even trade. All right, we got about 10 seconds until that news comes out. It looks like we're going to get stopped out here. I guess not. We'll have to wait and see. The news is out. Let me refresh over here. All right, we're now back up to $100 in profit. Just waiting on this to take me out, folks. So close. We just need this line to get through that little dashed red line. All right, up $103. All right, so we just got taken out, as you guys just saw. Made a little bit over $100 on that order, or on that trade. And now this is 35 pips. I'm not sure if the market's going to get there before tomorrow. We've been having a lot of issues just breaking this level. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave my second order stop at break even. Let's go ahead and move that up just a tad. All right. And we'll leave our take profit at 25 pips. And we'll just see what happens. Again, it's almost 8 o'clock. It's 7:51 now. So we made 100 on that first half of the trade. Obviously, as I've said a couple times now through this video, we had plenty of opportunities to jump into this trade. So that's one thing I can say. This level, or these two levels that they've given us here as entry points, have been really good. We could have bought these dips in here on multiple occasions and used this as our stop. So things look really good so far. And again, this is with the higher time frames, which hopefully starting next week, I'll be jumping over to the smaller time frames, the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes and such, and we'll see how that works out. All right, let me go ahead and pause it. I'll come back to you guys shortly. All right, folks, market just came down and took us out. To be honest with you, I'm actually happy we're out of the trade at this point. It's now 8 o'clock. This is easily the longest recording that I have ever done. And again, most of you guys aren't going to be doing this, but as you can see, 45 minutes. So you won't have to worry about, dealing with this type of stuff. But for my purposes going forward into the future, I'm going to be sticking with the lower time frames, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and I don't think I'm going to do too much with the 1 minute chart. I don't think there would be enough profit potential there for me to consider that. Let me just scroll through here real quick so you guys can see what's going on. All right, this is a EuroCAD 15-minute chart. Anywhere in here is our entry point. and we're expecting the market to drop. GBP CAD, same thing. Anywhere in between here is an entry point, and we're expecting it to drop. Let's see USD CAD. USD CAD, as you guys can see here, market came up. Actually, it looks like it started right here on this one. So it came down. We would have got filled here. We had this big green bar that would have resulted in a loss. About 5 pips. So again, a small loss. What is this? This is AUD CAD. And this is a shark pattern. So as you can see here, we got the entry line. Anything in between here is a buy. So we could have bought it right there. And obviously, we're looking at about 70 pips in profit there. This is a 15-minute chart. As you can see here, the market pushed a bit more into the box there. Here, it just kind of tipped into it. But on the GBP CAD, we could have got in maybe around here. Or even if we would have got in right here, we would have still been able to make, look at that. That's 142 pips right there. And this is a 15-minute chart. Our stop would have been way down here. That would have been a beautiful trade here. Same setup there. Let me see how far this little spike went. All right, so we had a little push down here, but it didn't get anywhere near our stop. Could have got filled and rolled that up. Same thing here. We came within 6 pips of being stopped out. Obviously, we would have took quite a bit of heat, about 20 pips, if we would have got in right away, or you could have just waited to the middle. But as you can see, first profit target would have been hit quickly, second would have been hit quickly, and this is a 5-minute chart. All right, so as you guys can see, the lower time frames look like they give some pretty good signals. So I'm looking forward to trying that out next week. This one didn't quite hit our entry price. Neither did that one. AUD USD. We took quite a bit of heat on that trade. 85 pips. All right. Anyway, this is my first video for the Harmonic scanner. This just gives you guys an idea of how it works. You did get to see me take this trade. You guys got to see me actually go into the trade room. I also do plan on, as I stated earlier, trading this with binary options. I'll do some testing with that. If you guys want to see that, definitely just let me know. If nobody's interested in it, I might just skip that. Looks like we're waiting here for the market to come back down into this level so that we can jump in again if we get the opportunity. And it's pretty straightforward, folks, from what I'm seeing here. In the same way that this had it set up where I'd basically just enter when the market enter this zone. You can see it's in yellow. This is our buying zone. And as you guys saw, we had plenty of opportunities to jump in and take, 30 to 40 pips out of the market if I was trading it that way. Obviously, I was being super conservative, not entering more orders and things of that nature. But we're at 50 minutes now, so I'm going to go ahead and end it. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and send them my way. If you want to get more information about the iMarkets Live, don't hesitate to click the link below. You'll definitely get all the information there, and hopefully I'll be able to upload more videos for you guys next week. All right, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow is April 1st. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, folks.